Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can start the practice match on chess.com. So for example, to learn the basic moves, for example, or to simply learn how to play chess without, competing against other players online, for instance. So this is how you can do it on chess.com. Log into your account on chess.com, and there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one would be to mouse over play here in the top left, and to select either a match against the computer or against the coach to receive, for example, feedback and advices and hints. Or option number two would be to navigate to train, and from there to select practice. So if I head over to the practice match, I will be given access, for example, to custom position. I may upload, for example, or I may go through various openings or through that mode, or simply start the practice mode here against the computer, and you will see these moves here to the right, and you may enable hints here, for example, or start a new position, undo your last move, for example, or the move of the computer, to see, for example, what the consequences of such a move by the computer would be for your pieces and how you should or might react. And if you make a mistake, you can always use these buttons here. Now I can't do this because I've been made checkmate by the computer accidentally. So that's maybe not the best example. I wasn't paying attention, sorry. So as you can see here, guys, my king is basically defeated here, as you can see, and the only thing I can do right now is reset to the default position and start all over. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.